Hey YouTube. One second. Right. Yeah, that was a bad entry. Right. I've got 17 subscribers, and I did say I would do my burping tutorial at 20 subscribers, but I said in my last video or the video before that I would do it at 15 subscribers now. So I suppose I'll do the tutorial. Now I've got another video that I'm going to upload, which is like a serious thing, just to say how much I love my subscribers and everything. But burping, remember. Okay, so these are two methods. First, the one that I do, burps the loudest, I think. Depends how good I'm not very good at this this one that I'm going to do now. But what you do is, you breathe in as you go, and you don't just let it go, you go, you don't go like that, you go, and then like, swallow the air, but push it back as hard as you can, so you go, you might get a sound when you swallow, that shows that you're doing it right. You go, which isn't very good, not a very good effective method, it's just like messing around. The other one, I can't really explain, it just came naturally, I'm not really too sure. But you can go, you can like close your throat if you know how to do that, and like suck in really hard, but then go, just go. You don't have to do that jaw thing, it just look cool, I think. Anyway, if you look into a mirror, what I do is that when I suck in, you can tell my throat always goes in, and that shows that you're doing it right. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks YouTube. Subscribe. I need 3 more subscribers to 20 subs, and something special happened to all my subscribers and friends. So peace out.